Today I'm going to show you how I designed this advertising flyer for a recording offer from Modo Sound Studio located in Machindia Central Division. So that was everything. That's how I came up with this artwork. Lastly, there is a layer that I used. Here it is. That's just to give it a feel. But there are some parts that I didn't want to show up, so that's why I added a layer mask to hide them out. And also I changed its blending mode to screen so that I can still see, everything. And yeah, that is it. I'll put it down to let the text show up. So that's how I came up with this design. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and share to a friend. This is Kai Media Visuals. Thank you for watching.